Struggling to resize rows and columns in Excel? What if you could do it in seconds with a few keyboard tricks? Stick around because I'm sharing the best Excel shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into time-saving Excel shortcuts for adjusting rows and columns. By the end, you'll be resizing spreadsheets like a pro. Let's get started. First, let's auto-fit columns. Select a column, then press Alt+H-O-I. The column instantly fits the widest text. For multiple columns, highlight them and use the same shortcut. To auto-fit all columns, press Ctrl+A, then Alt+H-O-I. Rows are similar. Select a row, press Alt+H-O-A, and it adjusts to fit your content. Need a specific size? Select columns, press Alt+H-O-W, type a width, like 15, and hit Enter. For rows, use Alt+H-O-H, enter a height, like 25, and hit Enter. This keeps your spreadsheet uniform. Merge cells acting up, select the row, press Alt+H-W to wrap text, then Alt+H-O-A to autofit. For a faster option, hover over a column's right edge until you see a double arrow, then double-click to autofit. For rows, double-click the bottom edge. To do multiple at once, select them, then double-click any edge. Want to hide data? Select a column, press Ctrl+0 to hide, or Ctrl+Shift+0 to unhide. For rows, use Ctrl+9 to hide, Ctrl+Shift+9 to unhide. Lost a hidden row? Press Ctrl+A, then Alt+H-O-U-L to unhide everything. That's it. These shortcuts will save you hours. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Drop your favorite shortcut in the comments. See you next time.